Senator Simons.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. My question is for the government representative. 5 years ago this week, Fort McMurray and the regional municipality of Wood Buffalo were engulfed by a wildfire that caused the evacuation of the whole city, and all Canada rallied to help them. Today, the municipality is facing another state of emergency. It has the highest COVID-19 infection rate in all Canada, in all North America, with more than 1,866 cases per 100,000 residents. The region has only one hospital. Every ICU bed is taken, and indeed they've had to create some makeshift ones to deal with the overflow. Almost 40% of the hospital's total beds are now taken up with COVID patients. In addition to Fort McMurray, the regional municipality of Wood Buffalo encompasses 11 separate First Nations and Métis Nations. Chief Alan Adam is the chief of the Athabasca Chippewa Nation and president of the Athabasca Tribal Council. And on behalf of the Athabasca Tribal Council, he has asked your government to send federal military assistance, such as a staffed mobile field hospital or public health teams to run 24/7 vaccination clinics to accommodate the region's many shift workers. Now, as an Alberta senator, believe me, I realize just how politically sensitive such a move might be, and I know there are no easy answers. But your government has responsibility for First Nations healthcare and for the safety of Indigenous people living on reserve. Can you please tell me and the people of Wood Buffalo if, when, or how your government might provide a field hospital or other consequential assistance in this time of crisis?
Senator Gold.
Thank you for your question and for raising this important issue for the community. From the start of the pandemic, the federal government has worked with provinces and territories to support the healthcare systems in their province. Those are the interlocutors with whom the government deals. And I've been advised that at least to date, Alberta has not required such federal existence. But if any province or territory does require specific assistance, as Ontario has done recently, the Government of Canada will seriously examine the request and figure out how to best provide assistance.
Senator Simons, did you wish to ask a supplementary question?
If I may, Mr. Speaker. As I understand, the federal government has received no formal request for assistance from the government of Alberta, but the First Nations communities of Wood Buffalo are appealing to you directly based on the relationship that First Nations have with the federal government for Indigenous health care. And I'm wondering, if there is no formal request from the province of Alberta, is there any point at which your government would step in this very particular regional crisis?
Senator Gold.
Well, thank you, Senator. I will have to make inquiries and report back to the chamber.
Thank you very much.